My beautiful friends, coming to you today to show you how the emotion code works. I've spoken about it and maybe you have no idea what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to tell you how this goes. So here's my handy dandy chart that I use. Columns, rows. There's 60 emotions on here, and this is what I use for my tool along with muscle testing. So there it went. So here's what happens. So in the motion code, what happens, or I should say, what we use emotion code for is to release trapped emotions, whether it be something that is ours or somebody else's, or an inherited emotion. There's various things, and sometimes when you're doing the questioning of the subconscious mind, it will sometimes want you to give more information, like did it become trapped like at a certain age, and was it yours, was it inherited? And then so I use muscle testing. I use a particular one called ring and ring method. So it's like this: yes, no, yes, no. And what I do is I can do this over the phone. Some people like to do it like in a video so they can see what I'm doing or we can interact more. I can do it on animals even. Animals are really simple and they take like a few minutes because sometimes they might take on something from their owner. They might take on just, they process things too, like a death in their, like if their furry friend passes away, they might experience things. But it can actually really help with their healing. So, anyway, so un momento. Voila, it fell. So, let's take myself for an example. Let's say I'm going to ask myself, because I do this on myself also, do I have a trapped emotion that can be released now? Oh, no, probably because I did one earlier. So, let's just pretend that it says yes. Okay, so I say, can I release an emotion from myself now? And I get a yes. Okay, then I would ask, is the emotion in column A? Okay, no, it's in column B. So I kind of like break down 60 to 1 in a quick moment. So then I say, is it an even numbered row? No. Is it an odd numbered row? Yes. So then I choose which one. And then I say, okay. And then I go to that square. Like, let's just say it was row 4, column B. So then I would go to that square and then I would ask which one it is. Okay, so let's pretend that it was anger. Okay, so I would say, do I need to know more about this? No. Okay, so then this is literally what I would do, releasing the trapped emotion of anger. Three slow. You just swipe it 3 times, and then you ask, was this emotion released? Yes. That's it. Literally. Isn't that amazing? Boy, that thing doesn't want to stay in my lap. So that is the way it works. And then it's cleared. Well, we've been walking around the planet a long time, a lot of us, maybe not some of us. And so there are emotions that get sort of like trapped in like a ball of energy, and that's taking up space in the body. So when you do the emotion code, it's an energetic practice, then you free up that energy and you bring in other beautiful things. So that's how it works. Very simple, very quick. Um, I guide people in various ways. So I just wanted to show you like the simplicity of how it works. And then I'll go into other details about it and how I use it. That's the starting point. Okay? Have a beautiful day. Bye.